Kauai late the night before, we learned there was no rental cars available on the island and very limited taxis and Ubers. So on our first day there, we did not have a car. So and I decided to do something we usually never do, and that was relax on the beach all day. We took a shot at the public bus system and made it to Kauai Beach, not too far from our hotel. This spot was gorgeous, with white sand beaches and shade trees and the perfect size wave for us to try and catch. So we rented surfboards, spent the entire day surfing, swimming, eating, and relaxing on the beach. We only got a few phone clips from the day, but we enjoyed every minute of the sunshine and relaxing time.
Thank you.
We are finishing our breakfast. A delicious acai bowl and some coffee. We got a rental car today, so we'll be able to do a lot more and see a lot more on the island of Kauai. Our first stop is Waimea Cave? Canyon, not cave. It's about an hour drive from where we are. It's like a lookout point and it should be pretty cool. It's very cloudy today, so I hope the rain holds off. But yeah, we'll see you there.
A little brain freeze there.
Jalapeno cheddar bagel. Delicious coffees.
First acai bowl in Hawaii.
Stopped here on the side of the road. Had to look at this canyon. First look. Oh, it's beautiful. The weather just got a lot better. It's raining really hard, but now it looks like it's going to clear up. Hopefully we get some good views when we get to the canyon.
So we pulled up to the lookout spot of the canyon. We thought it was only $5 to get in, but it ended up being like 10 a car and then 10 a person or something ridiculous. So we heard if you keep driving a little bit, there's a lookout spot for free, which is what we did. And it was totally worth it because there's no one here and we didn't have to pay. And you get the same amazing views. We can see the lookout spot like right up there. So this is definitely the way to go. This is like undescribably beautiful. Everything is so green and red, and it's just like a canyon that you can see better than the Grand Canyon. I don't think that the camera will even do it justice. It looks so cool.
Okay, we decided to stop in Waimea, a small little town right before the canyon, and it's very beautiful. It's right next to the ocean. It's on that side, and then the road to the canyon's on that side. And we decided to stop at, it's called Shrimp Station. I've been wanting to try this Hawaiian shrimp so long. You just peel it, eat it. I think this one is the garlic flavor one, with rice. And Elizabeth got the fried coconut shrimp, and it looks very delicious. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in real quick. Very good sauce. Now we're about to enjoy this meal and then head to the beach later. Back on the road.
Let's go.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Update on our day in Kauai. So it's been raining all day ever since we came back from Waimea town. We tried to go to Kauai Beach, I think it's what it's called, but it was just an absolute rainstorm over there. Like as soon as we got to the beach, it just started raining really hard. But yeah, so we just got some smoothies, and now we're headed to North Shore. I think it's Princeville is the name of the town that we're going to. Hopefully the weather's a lot better up there. But yeah, it should be beautiful. From all what we've read, like the most beautiful beaches are up there, so it should be fun. What do you think, babe?
Wish it wasn't raining, but try to make the best of it.
Yeah.
Hopefully the other side's a little better.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Okay, we just drove through Princeville. It's a weird town. I don't know if you'd call it a town. It's like a golf course resort with a bunch of private homes, like $1 million plus homes.
You know for a fact $1 million home?
Oh yeah, definitely. Well, yeah, we tried to hike to the Queen's Bath, a really popular spot there, but the trail's super muddy and very steep. So we just decided to fly a drone over it, and it looked very beautiful from the top. So yeah, too bad we couldn't try it, but I mean, if the trail's dry, I think it looks super nice over there. So yeah. Now we're headed to, I think it's called Hanalei. So many Hawaiian names, but I'm pretty sure it's called Hanalei. There's a beach by there. Hopefully we can get a nice sunset view and then grab a bite to eat before we head back to our hotel. But yeah, should be a nice little evening. Hopefully, fingers crossed that it doesn't rain again, but it's looking promising.
Oh, my sunburn hurts. I can't even walk. Oh, my legs feel like they're on fire. Oh, this is a cool beach. Oh. Cool storm clouds above. Ooh, people surfing. Ooh, these waves are big.
Shaka, brah.
There comes So. This beach is so cool. I'm really glad we decided to make the detour and come up north for the evening. A little bummed that we weren't here all day, but you know, that's how it goes. Looks like really fun waves to surf or just to swim around in. We got like the mountains surrounding us. This is a really cool spot. And I'm glad we checked it out, and I hope that we can come back on a sunny day in the future. Now we're gonna go get some food, because that's what we do all day is eat. Eat, eat, eat.
Eat. Which I don't care. I'm fine with eating all day. But yeah, hopefully we can find some good local eateries around here. It was too noisy in the restaurant to film, but Liz had a pork sandwich and I had my first Loco Moco of the trip. It was a delicious meal in a fun, lively restaurant and a beautiful evening in the cute, peaceful town of Hanalei. Thanks for following along on our trip to Kauai, and be sure to check out our venture on Big Island next.